In today's video, I will show you how to create the context section of a website. Many websites display their contact section in different ways. In this case, we can make it simple and on the main page. Select the body element. Add a div block. Name it Contact. Set the padding to 2 rem on the bottom. Set the background color to gray 1. Add the heading element. Reuse the tour header class. Add a combo class of CT, which is short for contact. Set background color to transparent by using unlink from variable. Set the text to black. With the header still selected, add a container. Name the element CT container. Set the container as a flex. By default, the direction will be horizontal. Set the alignment to center top. Set the gap to 3 rem. With the container still selected, add a grid. Rename the element CT grid. Set the column to 3 and the rows to 1. Set the gap for 2 rem. Add a div element. Name it grid block. Set the block as a flex with a vertical direction. Set align to center top. Have the gap set to 2 rem. Set the padding for 1 rem all around. The background color will be white. With the div block still selected, add a header. Reuse the tour header CT combo class we used earlier. Add a text block. Name it CT text. Center align the text. Set the font size to 20 pixels with a height of 25 pixels. In the Elements panel, copy and paste grid block twice. Click the header in the first block. Open the Settings tab. In the text box, type the following. Click the text block below the header and type the following in the text box. Repeat the same steps for the other 2 divs. And I almost forgot to put the proper name on the last header.